Hello, my earth signs. How you guys doing tonight? This is Sheila back from Into the Soul 78, and I wanted to say thank you for everybody for all your support and for the likes, subscribes, the comments. It means so very much to me. Thank you very, very much, guys. All right, I do want to make one quick announcement before I start with your guys' September check-in. I'm going to be doing several free readings this month, and so if you want to put yourself in the drawing, I'll be contacting people on Saturday, so don't forget to comment that you want a free reading, and I can put your name inside the drawing, and I'll be contacting people this weekend. Okay, my loves? All right, let's get started. We're going to pull Soul Truth first. And your card says, when was the last time I danced freely? Because it will shift you into a beautiful state. Dance. Because it will get you out of your head and into your body and heart. Because fear lives in the head along with anxiety, control, guilt, frustration, and impatience. In just a few minutes of dancing, you will make the shift. You'll feel a change of joy and confidence take over, and you will feel a soul reminder to live and lead from your heart. Dancing is a tool to ground us in the now. It triggers happiness, and it is the gateway to freedom. To become free, dance. Today's soul action: dance for 3 minutes to your favorite song. Notice the inward and fire grow within, and the feeling of you being you. You're a wild, loving force. Express it with dance today. Oh, how nice. That's a great card. Alright, my earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Happy. What's your positive affirmation say? Oop, there it is. Your affirmation says divine timing. It says the divine brings things in the timing that we need. Nothing comes before we're prepared, nor leaves too early. May I always trust your perfect and holy timing, dear Lord. Oh, that's pretty. And for those of you looking for guidance regarding our relationship, let's pull one from the Romance Angels. First names, please. Their September check-in. Ooh, you got engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Engagement. Ooh, some of you have been dancing at your wedding, dancing so excited because you're getting engaged, and it's in divine timing. Let's see. Excuse me. Let's see what the tarot has to say. All right, for the month of September, for my earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Let's see here. All right, my loves, let's go ahead and start. General check-in for my earth signs, please. So busy, busy, busy. Two of Pentacles. Juggling a lot of things. You're having a lot of things on your plate. And when this card comes out, there's a need to drop one thing in order to focus on the other. So it's good to delegate. Delegate, ask for help when you need it, but also to be wise in what you are prioritizing, basically is what I'm trying to say. Prioritize. All right. Now we got the Six of Wands. It was kind of in between. It was a little bit lower sideways, but I'm going to take it in the upright position. We got the Six of Wands, which is a card about success. It could also be a card about travel, or I'm getting, sorry if I have glitter all over myself for my table and candle wax. I was doing candles. But it could be about travel, success, even a homecoming or public recognition. We got the Five of Pentacles. That can be a card about bad health, loneliness, hardship, with the Star in reverse. We got the Two of Wands. getting a lot of cards. We got the Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. The other signs all just got 4 cards each. Ooh, King of Cups. King of Cups came out strong in the water signs reading. Ooh. We got the Six of Cups. So these could be dealing with a Scorpio, any water sign, or an air sign, Aquarius. Okay. So you could be dealing with both. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, let me see here. Alright, guys. At the bottom of the deck, we do have the Magician and the King of Swords. Whoa. Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Wands, and the Emperor in reverse. Alright, guys, this is going to be a challenging one. Let me see here. So we got the Magician and the King of Swords. Some of you are definitely dealing with an Aquarius. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Damn it. Alright, guys. And the Emperor. I'm not going to take that one. The Emperor in reverse. Five of Cups in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. A gossip or a liar. Page of Wands. Somebody who's bringing bad news. There's a communication. Alright. Damn. We got a lot going on, you guys. Alright, Earth signs. I have 0 Earth in my chart. I'm saying we. Oh, yeah. Let me see. So, you guys have had a lot on your plate. You know, let me start from the bottom. That usually gives me a better idea of what's going on here. And from what I could see, I see that. Oh, you have it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's only 3. You guys have 3 major arcanas in the total reading so far. Cups. Wands. We don't have any swords, just the King of Swords. So there's a lack of communication here. Or there's no thinking. This is just using practicality and emotion. No, but there's a lack of communication here. For those of you that are dealing with another person, we all deal with other people, right? But what I'm seeing here is somebody having to make a decision, possibly between two, quite likely between 2 people. Somebody's taking a completely different direction. For some of you guys, I see you guys leaving a situation where it feels kind of desolate. It feels abandoned already. You might feel left out in the cold, or you might feel like you're going to be abandoned by somebody. You guys have lost faith in the relationship and trying to decide what to do next, where to go, because this situation has failed. And I feel like you're leaning towards going back to somebody from your past. That's what this looks like here. Or you have strong feelings for somebody from your past, and you're going to be, I don't see communication. Maybe with this King of Swords being here, you might reach out. I see that somebody manifested themselves, a person. You know what I'm getting? Because the Magician can be Virgo or Gemini. It's very important that we be careful what we manifest when, or where we place our thoughts, right? Because everything we think about becomes an action. Every word is a spell that we speak, even our thoughts, especially our thoughts, right? That's where it all begins. What I'm seeing here is that somebody may have unintentionally manifested somebody from the past to come back into their life, or somebody from your person's past to come back into their life. You know, this is also, what it also could be, is Mercury retrograde. No doubt. This is Mercury retrograde here. Somebody's thinking about going back to their past. Maybe you are, maybe your person is, maybe both. Kind of looks like both of you guys are. There's 2 kings here and 1 queen. But I see that this bottom row, this person has to make a decision. It could be between a Leo and an Aquarius. And then we have Scorpio. But I just don't see no communication. Maybe you guys are not in communication with the person that that you're wanting to go towards, to move towards, but there's no communication. If you're suspecting your person is talking to somebody else, they're not. But there could be the desire there for sure. Or this could be you, or the both of you, like I said earlier. That's what this looks like. Somebody's going to go back and make an offer to their person from the past. And I feel like this is you or signs. I'm surprised I don't see no Queen of Pentacles, no King of Pentacles. Maybe because you guys are, or when somebody from your past is going to try to come back into your life or your person's life. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. What is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, please? That's like the end of a family or a legacy, or it could be a loss of money sometimes, but no. Here it is, Seven of Swords. Lying, cheating, scheming, doing the dirty. The Seven of Swords, someone trying to get away with some shit right here. Yeah. They're being sneaky. They're being very strategic about this move. But for some of you guys are trying to get back with an ex, with a soulmate, somebody you believe is your soulmate, or somebody from the past. If not, your person is. That's what this is here. Clarify more, please. King of Coins. Here you are, Earth sign. For me, this is Capricorn, but it could be any of you guys. Taurus, Virgo, Cappy. I feel like somebody's trying to get away with doing some shit behind your back, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, whoever this is happening to. Somebody's trying to get away with some shit behind your back. Why is the star here in reverse? Why is the star here in reverse? Or, yeah, this person's trying to get away from you, and they're trying to get away with it. Let me see here. But they're doing it in a shady ass way. The star in reverse, please. With the Temperance in reverse. Sagittarius energy. So we have Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Capricorn for me. Or, and we also have over here, we have Leo. Some of you guys are wanting to move towards the Leo. But Leo and Aquarius can be the same because they're both 8s. And we have the Knight of Pentacles. Here you are right here. So, I feel like some of you guys took a very long time to go towards your person. Your person gave up and went to look elsewhere or to somebody from their past. However, yeah, I kind of feel like if you took your time, if you were the one that was juggling over here with this Two of Pentacles, because we started out with that, right? I believe that's Capricorn energy as well. If you guys started out juggling, or you guys were on the fence, definitely, because you guys have the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Wands, you guys have been on the fence about what you guys want, or signs, okay? If you waited too long, your person's moving in a new direction with somebody from their past. If you're juggling, trying to decide who do I want to be with, who do I want to be with, you're going to go to the other person, not the person you've been in a long-standing relationship with. That's what this looks like here. Let me, and some of you guys are engaged, and this is gonna come out, or some of you are gonna get engaged with another person right away, even if you were married already. Let me pull another card first. Whoa. Here you go. Yeah, you guys are juggling. You get the card very soon. Romance angels, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. That was pretty cut and clear, my loves. Alright, you guys, this is what I got for your September check-in. That's what's going on. Don't forget to let me know if you guys want one of the free readings that I'm going to be doing. Let me pull a Heal Yourself card for you guys. These cards are so beautiful. Please don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button for me. It keeps the content up on YouTube. Thank you so much for those of you that do. Oops. Okay. Alright guys, so we got help from above. And we also got pay attention to the signs. Could it be more clear? With help from above. So you guys are definitely going to have support from your angels, your gods, your guides, your goddesses. And then pay attention to signs. So pay attention for messages, messengers. You're going to be divinely guided on what to do next in the situation that you're dealing with here. And you do have the support and love, and you have help from up above and moving through this, maneuvering through it. No matter what side you're on, it doesn't really matter. Spirit is always with you and there to help provide, and there to provide help from above. Okay, so pay attention to the signs that you guys are getting and move forward in a wise way. All right, my loves, I love you guys. Be blessed and bless others. Good night.